Hello, I'm MakerArm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more than just 3D printing. I'm great at building the next big thing, like this. I can cut sheets and 3D print corners. I can pick and place sheets and panels together and create a custom PCB. I can solder, assemble components. I can even work with fellow MakerArms. Voila! Here's our finished project, a custom laptop. I can be operated wirelessly on all of your devices. Plus, my humans can teach me tricks and send me remote instructions. I was made for creative people everywhere. I can make really impressive toys, paint on canvas and fabric, and create custom invites. I can etch glass, engrave plastic and leather, carve metal, and wood. I can also plot designs. And yes, I can even decorate cakes. Another cool thing, my humans can design their own custom tool heads for me. It feels great helping my humans build their dreams, and I would love to see MakerArms in labs, garages, and tinkering stations everywhere. That's why I'm here on Kickstarter. My makers have spent 2 years perfecting me and my fellow MakerArms. Right now, we are working prototypes and need to be manufactured so we can be on our way to all you humans. With your help, together we can.
Hi, we're the team behind Tico. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tico, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tico sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tico has an internal filament tray, an enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tico, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tico is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tico. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing to create Tico. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today, and let's find out.
Do you need a much more accurate desktop 3D printer? Do you trust your 3D printer to finish your large and complex, high-quality jobs? Do you wish that operating and maintaining your 3D printer was much easier? After years of development and experience building many printers, we are proud to announce our 3 new Raise 3D FDM printers. Meet the N1, N2, and the N2 Plus, high quality, highly reliable, and easy to use printers built to be trusted by and meet the demands of serious 3D printer users like you. The N1 features a standard build volume of 8 inches by 8 inches by 8 inches. The N2 is roomier at 12 inches by 12 inches by 12 inches tall. The N2 Plus doubles the build height of the N2 to 24 inches for tackling your tallest jobs.
Some of the other things that I like is that the touchscreen display represents the print and the process. That percentage is illustrated really nicely through the preview of the model. Normally, the most time-consuming and complicated process is trying to organize and rename those 3D files. But with the Raise 3D's N-Series printers, the management of my files on their touchscreen display has been made easier and more manageable. But with the touchscreen display, you have a very clear graphic on how to operating my 3D printers.
Raise 3D printers are not only easy to use, they are also very accurate and reliable. Every printer starts with a CNC machined frame and components to ensure stable operation. The Raise 3D printers come with a heated build plate to assure great performance with a wide variety of printed materials. All machines come standard with a removable glass build plate covered with build tack for even better performance. And the N2 and the N2 Plus are pre-aligned at the factory so that you will never need to level and adjust the print bed. The Raise 3D printers are enclosed. The removable top cover can be used or removed based on the needs of your specific printing material. Our all-metal hot end can work up to 300 degrees Celsius, making it ready for a wide variety of future high-temperature filament. All 3 printer models can be upgraded to have a second extruder. With the dual extruder upgrade, you can tackle multicolored prints.
This is Dave. There's nothing in the world he loves more than 3D printing.
I've often been asked, would I rather have the perfect girlfriend or the perfect 3D printer? Definitely the 3D printer.
Today, he's trying out the Trinus 3D printer.
I'm sorry, where was I?
Trinus, a new 3D printer.
Bring it.
These days, he's not just looking for another 3D printer. He wants something that produces quality prints, can work with a wide variety of materials, can print with multiple file formats, is reliable, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. He's had some trying experiences, putting together printers with hundreds of parts, and having to recalibrate them over and over again.
Finally done. Let's print.
Or coping with prices that put him over the edge. Trinus has a modular structure with 4 identical units, which reduces its production cost. Yeah, that's it. Only 11 parts. Sorry.
Okay, let's do this.
With an easy-to-follow manual, you can assemble Trinus in 30 minutes. And because its mechanics are scaled down from industrial-grade machines, Trinus brings professional-level performance and precision right to your desk. Trinus isn't just a fixed package either. You can exchange its 3D printing head for a laser engraving one. You can also equip your Trinus with a heated bed and safety enclosure, opening your printer up to PC and ABS. Now Dave, how much do you think this costs?
Well, considering the ease of assembly and attention to details although I'd still need to see the printed models, I'd say around $1,500.
Nope. Look right.
What's the catch?
There's no catch. $299 on Kickstarter. Trinus uses its intuitive Pango software, which works twice as fast as other slicers. But you're not locked to that. Other software and G-code are compatible too. Remember the time you used the high-speed setting on that other low-cost printer and ended up with a dull, messy print? Even using a higher print speed, Trinus gives you a clean, high-quality print without shaking everything off your desk. Plus, the laser head will come in handy when your best friend beats you at a game you thought you were good at. Trinus lets you print with many different filaments, including flex, wood, and aluminum, all without a jammed extruder or clogged nozzle. To help achieve that, Trinus partnered with Polymaker. With their Polymax PLA or PC Plus, you can be sure that your printed parts will be stronger and better than ever before.
God, to you.